Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
Hello learners, my name is Stephen Kariungi. I welcome you to today's chemistry lesson. The topic of discussion is structure of the atom in the periodic table. So today we are going to discuss oxidation number. Oxidation number, this is the charge possessed by either an ion or a radical. Ions and radicals are charged particles. So the charge that they possess is referred to as the oxidation number. So for example, a copper 2 ion written as Cu2 positive has an oxidation number of positive 2. So that is the charge that it carries. Another example, a chloride ion, Cl negative, has an oxidation number of -1. So the charge that is indicated there. If you take an example of a radical, like a carbonate, CO3 2 negative, this one has an oxidation number of -2. So oxidation number is the charge that is possessed either by an ion or a radical. Atoms have an oxidation number of 0. Atoms have an oxidation number of 0. So they have no charge. And of course, we discussed that earlier in the topic, whereby we said that the reason why atoms have no charge is because the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. The number of positive charges is always equals to the number of negative charges. So in this case, the oxidation number is only found in ions and radicals. The other thing I want us to discuss is chemical formula. And the chemical formula represents compounds whose formula is written using the valencies. So to write the correct chemical formula, it is important to understand the valency, which is the combining power of elements. And we'll take an example. We want to ask ourselves, what is the chemical formula of A, magnesium oxide? We'll leave a space for answering that. Then B, calcium chloride. So the first thing when you're writing the chemical formula, we write the symbol for magnesium is Mg, oxide is O. Then we come here and indicate the valency. The valency for magnesium is 2. The valency for oxygen is 2. So where they have the same valency, you simplify it into 1:1, and then you cross multiply. So the formula will be Mg multiplied by 1, O multiplied by 1. So that will be the chemical formula for magnesium oxide. So for calcium chloride, the symbol, so we start with the symbol, and then chloride is from chlorine. The valency is 2. The valency here is 1. So here you don't simplify, you just cross multiply. So calcium multiplied by 1 is calcium. Chlorine multiplied by 2 is Cl2. That's the valency for calcium chloride. So basically that's how we use the valencies to write the chemical formula. Can take a third example. One that is involving a radical. We want to write the formula for sodium carbonate. So sodium, the symbol is Na. Carbonate is CO3. Of course, 2 negative. The valency for sodium is 1. The carbonate, the valency is equivalent to the charge. It's equivalent to the oxidation number, which is 2. So you cross multiply. Sodium you multiply by 2. And then the carbonate you multiply by 1. So that will be the formula for sodium carbonate. So you will only use the charge to get the valency. So in the final answer, you don't put the charge. The charge has already been neutralized. So that's the formula. So we'll have an assignment on that. So in the assignment, what is oxidation number? Number 2, determine the chemical formula of calcium nitrate, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydrogen carbonate, and magnesium sulfate using the valencies. So we'll stop there until next time. Goodbye.